Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here at businesswithtrading.com doing a trading strategy recap for Thursday the 9th of July. And today was an interesting day. We made a lot of trades, 6 trades. We were 5 for 1 and pulled 5 3/4 points out of the market. It's good, could have been better. Maximum profit potential was 14 1/4. So 5 3/4, not that great, but it's better than no points at all. So that's the way we can look at it. But obviously, today could have been better. So today started with a nice gap up, very large, and then price kind of just chopped around and went lower to sideways the majority of the morning, and then just sideways into lunch. So today, our trades, we took a short right up here, and we ended up taking profits on as it moved lower, and then price chopped around a little bit. We did take a long down here. We were able to take profit, and just because price was choppy, it did cut off a lot of our trades. Our next trade happened here. We did get long again, and we got long towards the middle of this candle here, got stopped out, one of those things. And then price, as it fell, we watched it, got long right down here, and we were able to take profit towards the top of this candle. Then price did break again to the downside. We waited on it. We did short up here towards the top of this candle and ended up taking profit as this did pull up, so we got out right up here. So very quick trade there. And then our next trade, we were short up here, and just because all of our trades have been so choppy, so cut off, we ended up taking profit down here towards this area here, and then obviously in hindsight we see price did chop sideways and go a little bit lower, but it is what it is. Sometimes when you get caught up in what's going on, and it happens to us a lot in life. I look at it because I see my nephews growing up, and I see myself, and then I see other people that are my age and a little bit older. And when we're kids, we kind of see everything. We try to experience everything. What's this, what's that? Oh, I like to learn everything. Then we get older and we start to narrow in on a niche. Whatever it is, our job, our career, stuff like that. And then we stop looking outside of everything. Trying to learn different things. We just narrow in on a niche. And instead of having the entire world as our environment, we just have the narrow thing that we've made for ourselves. Like if it's our job, because I think statistically people spend about 1/3 of their life at their job, which seems crazy, but it is what it is. You got to make a living, but we narrow in on that, and we don't really see what's around. So we start to build up things that kind of tell us stuff. Oh, this is happening like this, and especially at work, at our jobs. We see this happening, so therefore this should continue. Whatever it is, the mailroom, the way things are being delivered, the shipping area of your job, punching in and out, time cards or whatever. So it becomes a routine. And we get involved in that a little bit too much, so we don't really see what's around us. So basically that was a long-winded way of saying when things are happening, when your prices are getting cut off, you're more likely to play protection. And that's what we did here. We played protection. We ended up taking profit down here. And, it is what it is. I am never a top tick, bottom tick type of person. I would rather just take the profit and I'm happy with it. So anyway, hopefully that made sense to you. You got something out of it. Feel free to comment below. Any comment, feedback, suggestions, welcome. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. It's what a business with trading is basically all about, is empowering traders through education. So thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.